The workers' compensation conspiracy encompasses the entire law in the state of Missouri to the benefit of the insurance companies and the detriment of the injured worker. If you're injured in Missouri, you need a qualified, experienced workers' compensation attorney to help you fight both your civil case and your workers' compensation case to reduce the amount of benefits that you have to pay back to the workers' compensation carrier. The fact that the workers' compensation carrier gets any money back if you're hit, for instance, if you're driving for work and you get hit by a truck and you sue, the idea that you got to pay back the work comp carrier is called subrogation, and it's part of this workers' compensation conspiracy. It's ridiculous. If you settle your civil case first, you're not going to get any money in workers' compensation. So you got to resolve your workers' compensation claim and then pursue your civil lawsuit. If you have a lawyer that doesn't know that order of operations, that's either not from Missouri or has never tried a Missouri workers' compensation case, you're going to get cheated. That's plain and simple, because the Ruediger formula, which was codified in 287.150, that sets out the order of operations and how you get your money and how much money the workers' compensation carrier gets back, cheats you if you don't have a lawyer that knows what they're doing. So I'm watching all these other lawyers come in from out of state. They've never tried a workers' compensation claim in Missouri. They're not even advertising them for them, so they don't want them. Which means if you go to them and you have a case where you're driving for work and you also have a civil case, they just want the civil case. In my opinion, that's a mistake. So you need to get a lawyer that does this every day. Workers' compensation is a conspiracy for a lot of reasons. You know, it doesn't pay for any pain and suffering. It pays you based on this meat chart, which is just disability. There's no money for pain. And if you do it wrong, they're going to take thousands of dollars from your benefits when you win your civil case, and they're going to pay back the workers' compensation carrier. And that is patently unfair. My job as your lawyer is to put as much money in your pocket as I possibly can. And I take that very seriously, and I do it very well, as do all the lawyers at Cantor Injury Law. You've got to have a lawyer that knows how to fight and reduce the benefits, reduce the amount of liens that you've got to pay back to the workers' compensation carrier. It's unfair. It seems unfair. It is unfair. So get the best lawyer that knows the most possible about Missouri workers' compensation if you have both a civil and a workers' compensation claim. I suggest that you shop it around and then you call Cantor Injury Law. I'm Mark Cantor. I'll personally meet with you. It's 314-628-9999. If you have questions about subrogation, the workers' compensation conspiracy, or your injury from any case in Missouri, please call us. Thanks for watching.